Hello, let's see today's problem. Six horses A, B, C, D, E, and F took part in a race. Each of them wore trappings of a different color. We have some information. Let's see the questions. Which of the following could be a possible finishing order, which means we might not be able to solve this set completely. If D was in yellow, who won the race? Which three horses finished between F and D? Okay, let's begin. So, six horses A, B, C, D, E, and F. B was in blue and came second to a horse in grey. Okay, I'll come back to this. A was in gold while C was in purple. The horse in the fourth place was white. Three horses finished between F and D. 1, 2, 3. Right? The horse wearing yellow, there's one more horse wearing yellow, okay? Just finished ahead of C and just behind E. So just behind E and just ahead of C, this person is wearing yellow, which means that E cannot be yellow. The other option we have is grey or white for E. White or grey. And these guys can be white, grey, yellow, white, grey, yellow. Okay. Now using this, let's try to form a possible arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since there have to be three horses in between F and D, one way to place them is either F or D come first, which means D or F would come fifth otherwise, and the other possibility would be F or D comes second and the other horse comes sixth. So these are the two possibilities that we have. Now if we try to plug in the other statements, so let's look at this. E dash C. C is purple. Here there's only 2, 3, 4, right? We can't do 3, 4, 5 because at fifth position we can't place C. At the same time, 4, 5, 6 could also be a possibility. So let me write it in a different color. We can place E over here, horse yellow could be over here, and C could be here. But we also know that the horse in the fourth place wore white. Hence, we cannot do this, which means we'll have to go with sorry, not over here. We'll have to go with E in fourth place, F or D in fifth place who's wearing yellow, and C in sixth place who's wearing purple. This is one possibility in the first one. Now if we look at the second one, in the second one the possibilities could be E and C, right? Purple, which means this person is yellow, or the other possibility could be E. No, there is no other possibility. We can't place them at 3, 4, 5 because fourth one has to be white, and from this fourth would be yellow. Similarly, we cannot place them at 4, 5, 6 either because 6 is occupied by D slash F. So 6th cannot be occupied by C. Hence, we just have two possibilities right now. Now, let's try to place the other horses. We know that B was in blue and came second to a horse in grey. So this means that grey came just before blue. This is what this statement means. So looking at the first arrangement, if one is grey, then 2 could be blue, right? I'll write it in green. If this is gray, then this will be blue, and then we can place the last remaining horse, that is A, in gold, right? This is a possibility then. Otherwise, I can place gray over here, blue over here, but we know that A is gold. So gold cannot be at position number 1, which means this is one final possibility. Let's look at the second one. In the second one, there are only 2 places left. That's 4 and 5. So it's clearly incorrect because we cannot place the grey horse at the 4th place because it's occupied by the white horse, and the grey horse needs to follow blue horse. So I mean the blue horse needs to be followed by the grey horse. So this is incorrect. We just have one possibility now. Let me just write it properly. F/D B A E D/F C. This is purple, this is yellow, this is white, this is gold, this is blue, this is grey. A little tricky to solve, I think. Let's answer the questions. Which of the following could be a possible finishing order? So we know that C is coming last, which means 2 and 3 are eliminated. Let's look at the first option, D, B, A, F, E, C. Yes, D can come first. B, A, not F, E, C, we want E, F, C. So first one is also gone, which means fourth one is correct. That is F, B, A, E, D, C. Let's look at this. F, B, A, E, D, C. Yes, correct. If D was in yellow, who won the race? Which means D was in position number 5. Race was won by the grey horse, that is F. Which 3 horses finished between F and D? That is horse number 2, 3 and 4. B, A, E. 3. Okay, let's check our answers. 4, 2 and 3. 4, 2 and 3. Correct. So this was a tricky sum, I would say, and a little time consuming too, but hope you learned a new concept today. All the best. Thanks for watching.